Hi everyone, let's create today's presentation. It's easy, but you can see the effect of the white around these blacks that make it special. So let's start it. For the start, we need a new slide. In the new slide, we need just to have this text. This is a simple text. I just simply select these things and cover it another color, and also select this fix and cover it another color. And there is one more thing that make it special. I format this, and in the text option I gave him the outline of white. Okay, now I need to insert a rectangle and send it to back. And I'm going to format that to color pure black. And also I'm going to set the shape outline to none and bring it half at. And I'm going to copy this text and paste it on it. And then copy that. And here I'm going to bring these two in and set the transition to morph. But here I'm going to align it in the middle to look better. Now let's take a look. You see this text is here, so we need to bring it out. Now let's take a look. It's very beautiful. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.